Kiki and Jax, The Life-Changing Magic of Friendship by Marie Kondo. Co-written and illustrated by Salina Yoon. Kiki and Jax by Marie Kondo and Salina Yoon. Kiki and Jax were best friends, but they didn't always like doing things the same way. Jax enjoyed sorting and Kiki enjoyed collecting. Kiki's collection of things grew and grew until she ran out of places to put them. So she packed her pine cones under the bed and stashed her nuts under the rug and piled her clothes in the tub. When Jax came over, he asked, "Do you want to play soccer?" "Sorry," replied Kiki, "I lost my ball." So Jax went home. The next day, Jax asked, "Do you want to go swimming?" "Sure, let me get my swimsuit," said Kiki. Kiki searched her dresser, her closet, and even her toy box, but she couldn't find it anywhere. So Jax went home. He missed Kiki, but things got in the way. Maybe Kiki forgot we're friends, thought Jax. So he made something special to remind her. He put it in a box to take to her the next day. Jax knocked and knocked and waited and waited. To Kiki, getting to the front door felt like running an obstacle course. By the time Kiki reached the door, Jax was gone, but he had left her a package. "A friendship scrapbook!" exclaimed Kiki. It filled her heart until she could hardly breathe. So she took a deep breath and ran to Jax's house. "You're a very good friend. Choose joy, K plus J." "I missed you, Jax," said Kiki. "Can we play here?" "Sure," said Jax. They pulled out their favorite games and costumes and looked at their friendship scrapbook together. After they were done playing, Jax put the games and costumes away. "I wish we could play at my house too," said Kiki, "but there's just no room." "Yes, there is," said Jax. "Let me show you." There's so much to sort. Jax was excited. Kiki was overwhelmed. "Let's play piles. You make piles of similar items. Then you can decide what to keep," said Jax. They made a pile for clothes, books, and toys. "But how do I decide?" "It's simple. If it sparks joy in your heart, Jack said, keep it. And if it doesn't, thank it and let it go. Kiki and Jax sorted all of the items into boxes for keeping, donating, recycling, and throwing away. Kiki took her time with each and every item. This sparks so much joy. Donations, free library, trash, keep, recycle. Jax taught Kiki how to fold her clothes and put them upright in her drawers. Now, Kiki could find a place for things that mattered most, like her favorite books, extra bubbly bubble baths, and most important, room for her best friend, Jax. How to fold a shirt the KonMari way. Fold one side of the shirt across the center. Fold back the sleeve. Fold the other side of the shirt across the center. Stop a little before the edge, then fold back the sleeve. Fold down the top half, leave a bit of gap. For smaller t-shirts, fold down the top third instead of the top half. Fold it in half, making a rectangle. Stand it upright. The end.